So today I'm putting in the hybrid racing conversion harness and a Type S engine harness. Took the eBay one out, trash, chopped it up, and with the Type S harness you gotta do a couple of adjustments to it. The crank sensor, I had to change it. The pinouts are different from K20 to K24. These, you're gonna have a hard time trying to get it to reach, but I got it to reach. Really hard time. It came with the charge harness from the Type S, so I was happy about that. I didn't even have to continue using the one that I was using. So I'm happy about that right there. And then inside the car now, my brother over here doing water pump on the Benz. Getting my work done. But so it's a hybrid racing conversion harness. I like how it's labeled. Everything is self-explanatory. You know what I'm saying? ELD, green and red, to the original, the old car harness, as well as the car was in the car itself. Green and red, green and red, green and orange, green and orange, yellow and green, yellow and green. It's self-explanatory. That's fuel, ELD, MIL. And then coming off of the harness now, also coming off of the harness, you have, that goes to the back of the ECU. You have this, and I believe this is your charge light. And this goes to your B10. That goes to your B10. And your B10 is this small plug. You just need to tap into it. This is your small plug B10. The other one that goes right here in the back of the ECU. It's blue and white on the Type S harness, or white and blue, whichever one. Like I said, you don't have to cut it. I didn't mean to. I was being rough. So yeah, these all go back together as one. Tape it up, loom it up, shrink wrap, whatever you want to do. After you get that, and the other side runs over here, you got to make sure you get the C101 up here. It's a plug. It's just a plug up there. It's a gray connector. And then these run under the car through the hood. The fan one I don't use because the EG chassis harness already provides that for the fan and all of that. And then one of those was for your brake. You run those to your power, to your brake cylinder. And then that's pretty much what's going on right now. So I did connect it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I did connect it, obviously, in the conversion harness. The big one goes to here and the thing. These two goes in the back of your ECU. B10 is right here. Let me just show you that one real quick. B10. Sorry, I got Honda cut. B10, look at it from, which way you want to look at it from? You want to look at it from this way? Yeah, looking at it from the top. B10 is second row down, third one to the right. So 1, 2, 3 row is the middle row, third one to the right. That's B10. And that's where your charge light and all that connects to. In my Honda, I used analog 0 for boost by gear and 1 for flex fuel. And that's what we got going on.